Hey, how you doing? Professor Hiccup here. Today we're going to do a music reaction, maybe a little bit of a class because I actually know a little bit about this song. We're going to be doing Norman Greenbaum, and the song is called "Spirit in the Sky." Now, I was just coming home from the store a little while ago, and on the radio, this came, or I shouldn't say this came on. When I turned to the radio channel, this was just ending. I was like, you know what? I really like that song. I want to listen to it. So when I got home, I turned on the YouTube here and I typed in Norman Greenbaum "Spirit in the Sky," and I saw there's actually a few different variations, and this looks like this might be an official video, although there wasn't an official video that I know about. So yeah, let's check this out. Norman Greenbaum "Spirit in the Sky" came out in 1969. Now a little bit behind this, Norman Greenbaum uh, was Jewish, and he wrote the song, and he was actually a goat farmer, believe it or not. He wrote the song, and he was going to use the word, what was it, Jehovah, which is the Jewish word for God, but he decided that to use the word Jesus instead of Jehovah because he said it would be more marketable that way. So he got together and he wrote the song, he produced it, um, and when they mixed it, he mixed it purposely for car stereo systems at the time, which that way you didn't need big sound systems to appreciate the song, which is pretty smart back then. All right, so let's get into this. Check this out. This is Norman Greenbaum, "Spirit in the Sky." Like I said, I just heard the ending of this song a few minutes ago, and I said, you know what? I haven't heard that song in forever. So let's check this out together. Before we get into the song, though, do me a favor. If by chance you are new to my channel, check out all the other stuff I have. If by chance you like this channel, feel free to subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. It costs you nothing. And not only does it cost you nothing, subscribing is good for your health, it's good for the environment, and it's getting approved. I'm just saying, it's a win win for everyone. All right, so let's get into this. Norman Greenbaum, "A Spirit in the Sky" from 1969.
When I die and I lay me to rest, gonna go to the place that's the best. When I lay me down to die, going up to the spirit in the sky. Going up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Prepare yourself, you know it's a must. Gotta have a friend in Jesus. So you know that when you die, He's gonna recommend you to the spirit in the sky. He's gonna recommend you to the spirit in the sky. That's where you're gonna go when you die. When you die and they lay you to rest, you're gonna go to the place that's the best.
Pause for a second. Yeah, when he wrote the song, he actually said he wanted to do a religious rock song, and this song has been used in tons of movies, commercials. Chances are, if you've never heard of Norman Greenbaum and the song "Spirit in the Sky," it might sound a little familiar to you here and there, just for the fact it's been used in so many things. But yeah, let's finish off this video.
Go to the place that's the best.
that was Norman Greenbaum's "Spirit in the Sky" 1969. Very cool. I like the bass line, the percussion, the drums, the guitar playing, just the singing. The whole message of the song is just really, really cool. And it's, it was made in 1969, but it's got that 70s vibe because that was the borderline of switching over. I mean, it's got a lot of hippie stuff going on in it. It kind of made me like think of a cross between like the movie Easy Rider and the movie Godspell together. Just a lot of the imagery that's in that. But yeah, that was really cool. I enjoyed hearing that again, even though I just heard the tail end of it not too long ago here in the car. But yeah, let's check out some other stuff. But for now, I'm gonna have to say that's a wrap.